Do you want to automate payment tasks with Stripe using N8N? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to N8N so you can build simple workflows. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workspace. I assume that you've already have your accounts. You will find yourself on N8N dashboard. On the top right-hand corner of your screen, you will see button labeled Create Workflow. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a new canvas where we'll build our workflow. Look at the right, and you will see a right sidebar of canvas. You will notice a plus icon and click it. Use the search bar that appears to type the Stripe. As you type, of course, the Stripe node should appear in the suggestions. Once you select it, it will be automatically added to your workflow. Once you've selected the Stripe node, you will need to choose a trigger. The trigger is what will initiate the workflow depending on your use case. After choosing your trigger, you will want to configure your Stripe settings. Click on the Select Credential drop-down right in the Stripe node configuration. Once you have your secret key, copy it and paste it on the appropriate field within the N8N setup. Once you're done, click on the Save button. And that's it! You've successfully connected Stripe to N8N. Keep automating, keep growing, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.